It's a good
Now,
detail.
we talked about the filters and the actual housing right here, right? I want to show you how easy this is to pull out. There's your catch trays.
Okay, cool.
So for your leaves and debris that's flying. And then basically you just come in here like this. And you're going to take these out once a month and clean them.
Okay.
We have 3 of those, and then we have 1 EcoCharge filter over here, which I will show you. But this is pretty simple. We're just going to drop this down here and slide it in, right? Take this out, and then just click it down in place, and that's it. The circulation is going to take care of that. The water flow will go in there, and we'll clean the water. And then behind door number 2 here, we've got another tray. But what's really great about this is MasterSpas' proprietary water management system.
Okay.
And this is a copper zinc core, okay? This is a natural copper zinc core. Now we're gonna recommend, and you're probably gonna see this basically dissipate and dissolve over about 6 to 7 months, but we're gonna put you in a very natural environment. So the short version is, with the copper zinc core, as you replace it, and they're only about $46 plus tax, you're gonna get one to start. But the reality of it is, as the copper and the zinc interacts with the chlorine granules, and this down here, which is the ozonator, see that little thing looks like a black little chocolate pie? We're gonna take the impurities, the pathogens, and the bacteria actually out of the water, so your kids are gonna be in a really clean environment.
Yeah.
You can open your eyes under the water.
Oh.
You won't smell chlorine, you won't taste it.
Amazing.